everyone, I'm Catherine Maddox, and today we are going to do a color dip with some extensions. So these extensions have been prepped and shampooed with Un-Do-Goo, and we have used our brand new Wefts and Extensions sachet. But before I condition these, I'm gonna do a color bath with our Malibu Blondes shampoo. I have a bowl of water here, and I'm just gonna start with a little bit. Do a little bit more. So the purpose of this is to just help tone out some of the warmth out of these extensions. And I've diluted it in water because extensions will tend to grab if it's too pigmented. So you don't want to just put purple shampoo directly on top of these. Make sure that's all mixed up. And you can do this in your shampoo bowl, especially if you have a stopper. I'm gonna do another dip, and I'm just gonna let them sit for a minute. Okay, and that is how you do a color bath on extensions.